Check out this close-up of the horned stalked jellyfish. This photo clearly shows the jellyfish's cluster of stinging tentacles. The stalked jellyfish doesn't swim or drift around like other jellyfish. Instead, they attach themselves to rocks and seaweed using a stalk with an adhesive sucker at the base. Jellyfish are highly successful predators and critically important to the ocean's ecosystem. That likely has something to do with the fact they've been around for 500 million years, which is 250 million years before the dinosaurs. In other words, they've had an extremely long time for natural selection to refine their processes and systems. In any discipline, including building your brand and monetizing your story, it is prudent to have systems and processes in place to automate as much as possible so you can focus on your core competency and not all the minutiae, noise and technology chaos. By creating systems with precision and accuracy in mind and eliminating as much friction and noise as possible, you maximize your profit potential using the least amount of effort. Like the jellyfish, refining and evolving your system is done over time and cannot be rushed. So when was the best time to build your systems and processes? Before the pandemic. When's the next best time? Now.
Outsourcing can be easy, and now it is. Digital Samurai microfunnels. Curated content. Smart targeting. Micro campaigns. Success. Simplified. Powered by Client Concierge Service Bot. Get your micro funnel now. And simplify your success with Digital Samurai.